Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, I will show you how administrators can record student absences in advance using the Add Absences feature in openSIS. This feature allows administrators to pre-record planned absences for students due to approved reasons such as medical appointments, illness, family emergencies, educational activities, or other authorized leave. Recording absences in advance helps maintain accurate attendance records and reduces the need for manual updates later. From the dashboard, navigate to Attendance. Under Attendance, click on Add Absences. This opens the Add Absence to Course section page. At the top of the page, select the course section. For this demonstration, let us choose Microbiology 101. The student list below is automatically updated to display the students enrolled in the selected course section. From this list, select the student for whom you want to record the absence. For this demonstration, let us select Ricky Anderson by checking the box beside the student's name. If required, you can also use the search or advanced search options to quickly locate a specific student or filter the list based on various criteria. Now, select the attendance category. For this example, we will choose student attendance. Next, select the appropriate attendance code. Then enter the absence reason. For this demonstration, let us enter medical emergency leave. Now select the absence dates. You can choose a single date or multiple dates, depending on the duration of the planned absence. After verifying all the information, click Submit. A confirmation message appears, indicating that the student's absence has been recorded successfully. Similarly, administrators can select multiple students and assign the same absence details to all of them at once, making the process faster and more efficient. This completes the process of adding student absences in advance through the Add Absences module in openSIS. Thank you for watching.